All right, guys, we are moving into lesson 65. And the reason I have this piece of paper here instead of your notes in front of me is because I'm going to do the warm-up with you today. You can do it on a whiteboard, or you can do it on a piece of paper, either way, but this warm-up is pretty significant, pretty important for our lesson today. So number one, we're supposed to fill in the blank. The blank form of the equation of a line is y minus y1 equals m times x minus x1, where m is the slope and x1, y1 is a point on the line. So we're supposed to fill in the blank right here. Which form of an equation for a line is that? When you see y minus y1 equals m times x minus x1, you are looking at, remember, what's called point-slope form. This is different from slope-intercept form, which is y equals mx plus b. That's what we're going to look at next, okay? So for number two, we're supposed to find the slope and the y-intercept. So 2x plus y equals -5 is the equation that we have. In order to find the slope and the y-intercept here, it's going to be easier for us to rewrite this equation in the form y equals mx plus b. And that's because we can easily see what m, the slope is, and what b, the y-intercept is. So let's move some terms around to put this in not point-slope form, but slope-intercept form, which means we got to get y by itself. In that case, y equals, I'm going to move this 2x over here and get -2x minus 5. It is now in now in slope-intercept form, so I know that the slope m is right here, right? That guy right there. The slope is -2, and b, the y-intercept, is right here, -5. Easy enough, right? Okay, for number 3, we're going to do the same thing. We're going to take this equation here, -9x plus 3y equals 12. And they're asking us to find the slope, m. Let's remember, we need it in this form, y equals mx plus b. They want us to find the slope, and they want us to find the y-intercept, but it's got to be in this form. So let's get y all by itself. A little trickier this time, because y has a coefficient, but you got it. So first thing first, let's move the x's to the other side so we can get at least the y's over here on this side equals, if I add 9x, remember, I'm going to move it by adding it to the other side, and I end up with 9x plus 12. Not done yet, because I can only have y, not 3y, which means I need to divide every single term by 3, and I end up with y equals 3x plus 4. I'm now in this simplified slope-intercept form, and from that I can determine that the slope m is right there, is 3, and the y-intercept, which is b, right there, is 4. All right, let's keep going. Number 4. Last problem in our warm-up. Write an equation in slope-intercept form. That's y equals mx plus b. Write it in that form. That passes through the point, okay, so here's the information we have, 0, -5, and has a slope of 2/3. Easy enough. Here's x. When x is 0, y is -5. That's the y-intercept, and it tells me what the slope is right here, so it's easy as saying y equals, here's m, 2/3 x, and here, this -5 is the y-intercept, -5. All right, that is our entire warm-up for today. So let's push pause, change gears, and get ready now to take notes for lesson 65. We're going to be talking about writing equations of parallel and perpendicular lines.